Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. Red Cat Reading. Learn to read. Earth's water. Water all around. Look around you. Water is everywhere. Water falls from the sky and flows over land. It goes into the ground and fills bodies of water. Water as a liquid. Most of our planet is covered with water. Water is in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Water falls from clouds as rain. All this water is in a liquid state. Liquid water can flow from one place to another. It takes the shape of whatever it is in. Temperature. Water can change from a liquid state to other states. Water changes from one state to another because of temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. Water as a solid. Think about rain falling from the sky. The rain is in a liquid state. What happens if the weather gets very cold? That's right, the rain freezes. When rain freezes, it changes from a liquid state to a solid state. The solid state of water is ice. Ice is hard, and it has its own shape. Snow is tiny pieces of ice. Some mountains have huge pieces of ice called glaciers. Icicles are another form of ice. What happens to the ice if the weather gets warm? The ice melts and becomes a liquid again. Water as a gas. What happens to liquid water when the temperature is very hot? Puddles go away after the sun comes out. Where does the liquid water go? Energy from the sun causes the water to change state. The water changes from a liquid state to a gas state. The water evaporates or goes into the air. Water in a gas state is water vapor. Water vapor is tiny bits of water in the air. You can't see water vapor, but you can feel it. Water vapor makes hot days feel sticky. Water vapor can change when the temperature gets lower. The water vapor condenses and becomes liquid water. Then you can see it again. Water for life. Plants and animals need water. Water helps everything on Earth stay alive. Try this. Water as a liquid. Fill a cup with water. Pour the water into a flat pan or tub. The water is shallow and wide. Pour all the water into a tall jar. Now, the same amount of water is deep and narrow. What did you just learn about water? Water as a solid. Fill an ice cube tray with water. Have an adult help you put the tray in the freezer. Check the tray every half hour. How long does it take the water to freeze? Make notes about what you see. Water as a gas. Fill a paper or plastic cup with cold water. Mark how high the water is on the cup. Check the water every hour. How long does it take the water to evaporate? Make notes about what you see. Try the same thing with warm water. Does it evaporate faster or slower? Condenses, evaporates, gas. Liquid, solid. Temperature, water vapor. The end. Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. For more stories and worksheets, check our website